Guide to Rollover 401k to Gold IRA with $500,000 investment. In an era of economic uncertainty and inflationary pressures, safeguarding retirement wealth is a paramount concern. Many investors seek stability beyond traditional assets, leading them to consider Gold IRAs. A Gold IRA provides a tangible store of value, immune to currency devaluation and market fluctuations. This guide will navigate the process of rolling over a 401k to a Gold IRA, ensuring informed decision-making for those investing $500,000 or more. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account allowing investments in physical gold and other precious metals. Unlike conventional IRAs, which predominantly hold stocks and bonds, a Gold IRA offers exposure to an asset class historically known for wealth preservation. This type of investment can serve as a hedge against inflation, currency devaluation, and economic crises. Why consider a Gold IRA? 1. Portfolio diversification. Gold acts as a counterbalance to stock market volatility. 2. Inflation hedge. Precious metals maintain purchasing power over time. 3. Safe haven asset. Gold retains intrinsic value even in economic downturns. 4. Wealth preservation. Unlike fiat currencies, gold's value is not dictated by government policies. Understanding the rollover process. Before proceeding with a 401k to Gold IRA rollover, investors must assess whether this strategy aligns with their financial objectives. 1. Determining suitability. Assess long-term financial goals and risk tolerance. Consult a financial advisor specializing in alternative investments. Verify whether your current 401k plan allows rollovers. 2. Step-by-step rollover guide. Select a reputable Gold IRA custodian. Choose an IRS-approved custodian specializing in self-directed IRAs. Open a self-directed IRA. Establish an account with the chosen custodian. Initiate the rollover. Request a direct rollover from your 401k provider to avoid tax penalties. Fund a Gold IRA. Transfer up to $500,000 into the account. Purchase IRS-approved gold. Ensure compliance by acquiring only approved precious metals. Secure storage. Store assets in an IRS-approved depository for safety and regulatory compliance. 3. Choosing the right custodian and dealer. Evaluate custodians based on fees, reputation, and customer service. Select gold dealers offering IRA-eligible bullion with transparent pricing. Ensure adherence to IRS regulations regarding storage and asset types. Key advantages of Gold IRAs. Inflation protection. Gold historically appreciates during inflationary periods. Economic stability. Unlike fiat currencies, gold maintains intrinsic value. Diversification benefits. A well-balanced portfolio mitigates risks from market downturns. Potential risks and considerations. While a Gold IRA offers many benefits, investors should be aware of potential risks. 1. Gold price volatility. Precious metal prices fluctuate due to market dynamics. 2. Storage costs. Secure depositories charge fees for gold storage and insurance. 3. Tax implications. Non-compliant rollovers may result in penalties and taxation. 4. Liquidity concerns. Selling physical gold may require additional time compared to traditional assets. Rolling over a 401k to a Gold IRA with a $500,000 investment is a strategic move for long-term wealth preservation. However, careful planning, informed decision-making, and compliance with IRS regulations are critical to ensuring a smooth transition. By understanding the benefits, risks, and process, investors can make prudent choices to safeguard their retirement assets in the face of economic uncertainties. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.